Dave Gurney. My dad was an engineer in aviation because he couldn't qualify for military service when World War II happened. He went and learned how to build military products, engineered skunk works, secret stuff for a long time. We got into flying when I got out of the hospital for something when I was 21, and I kept looking out the window. I said, I got to get out of here. And all I could see were airplanes flying by. And I said, let's go do that. When I got it, it looked like it had flown maybe 10 hours a year for the previous 5 years on average. I said, okay, it's been sitting, but the engines are good. There's no rust or any issues with the engines, so the rest of it we can take care of. Interior shops for this specific airplane because it's not prudent to go somewhere that they haven't seen one of these before. I saw that picture in an Aviation X video, and I liked the style of the the paint job, the way it was done on that. So I thought, oh, I'll see if they can do that. Options, and then what I wanted finally was what I got. Well, I wanted something like that, and it's better than that because we use 2 colors. Yeah, so it's much better. Oh, it's very pretty. Wow. That's quite different. Yeah, it comes out better than what I had thought it could ever be.